So today we have a concept of E and Z nomenclature, which is very much useful in the geometrical and optical isomeres and equally valid for JE and the NEET aspirant. E stand for the antigen, which means its opposite side, and Z stand for the Jusaman, which is considered as a same side. And ये German terms हैं. So I'll write there, this is the opposite side, means तुम trans के समय means trans के जैसा समझ सकते हो, and this is the same side. So to apply this nomenclature, we must understand the CIP rule. CIP rule means con in gold, pre-log rule. And CIP rule is based on atomic number. Means higher the number, higher the priority. If the atomic number is same, then you can use the atomic mass too. And this is valid when the geometrical isomer is having a different substrand. Means all 4 substrand or maybe the 3 substrands are different. So like for example, if we have a double bond which is showing the geometrical isomers, जैसे fluorine हो गया, chlorine, bromine and iodine. So you can observe कि इसमें geometrical isomer is valid हो गई है. These substrands are different and here these 2 substrands are different. Now we will try to give the priority based on the CIP rule. Between fluorine and chlorine have the better higher atomic number, so first priority, and this has the lower atomic number, so second priority. Among bromine and iodine having the higher atomic number, so first priority, and this one has the second priority. Now you can observe that 1 is coming on the opposite side. Opposite side means we consider this is the E antigen. Or if C double bond C, if I just reverse the substrand, so here between fluorine and chlorine get the first priority, this is second priority, here iodine first priority, and this is the second priority. I just reverse these numbers, so you can observe 1 is coming on the same side, means it's considered to be the Z is the Jousam and Sin pattern. And that's how we can apply the CIP rule. For more detail, subscribe on YT channel where we have learned the detail of all the concept E and Z nomenclature to apply in the cis pattern. For more detail, go to the YT channel. There we have learned all the details of the E and Z and RS nomenclature in geometrical and optical isomers. Thank you.